just a small house in his heart, but he loved a young actress who adored flowers